Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a quick update. I have installed the Hella Trumpet horns on my Interceptor 650. Here you can see how I have mounted the horns. For using these horns on your Interceptor, you have to install the relay. Without relay, these horns are not going to work. I have used the genuine Royal Enfield relay and it has been placed under here and done the wiring properly. These horns look really nice and sound really nice. Let me show you how these horns sound. These are damn loud and gives a premium feel to the bike. This is just a quick and short video. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Signing out.